So when the student opens up the quest, they're faced with this welcome screen, giving them some instructions if they wanted to read it for the first time, and there is this button in the bottom right hand corner, the arrow. The arrows take them through the quest trail. This is a level 3, so sort of an A-level standard unit in health and social care. And learners can be divided into 3 groups or more. It's up to you whether people choose their starting point or you tell them which to do. But let's say a group of learners who are working in 2s or 3s pick personal learning processes. You click the button and they go to their first question, which is a blue background. You can see at the top here it's a level 1, it's actually question 1, and we're looking at some of the basic building blocks of this. So you can see you've got a question. Can you identify? Down the bottom here there is a sort of key thing here that tells you what this word really means. So can you point out the main points of your previous learning experience? We've got an image here that just hopefully gives them some positives and negatives, and then as a group of learners we discuss this question and we sit and chat. We might take some notes, and then we're able to choose now which route to go on. Now we've got a choice. We're going what we call upper level to level 2, and if I click the top one, you'll see now we've gone to an orange background, and we're starting to put the building blocks together. So can you explain? And we've got a little bit of an explanation of what explain means. And again, we can choose to go up the next level after we've discussed. Either will take us to a different route. If the learner doesn't quite like this question, if they press the quest button in the top left hand corner, that will always take them back one level to where they were. So I can now choose to answer a different question. I could perhaps go to this one. And can you outline the reasons why the learning environment may impact on learning? I go all the way through, talking, discussing, taking notes, answering the questions to a level 3 where we start to put it all together and start creating different things usually. Then we get to a point where we try and look at something in a different perspective. We start hypothesizing, looking into the future, and after level 4 we have a final task, which in this case is summarize everything that they've learned so far by going through that quest. So everything, all 57 varieties. They then click this button, they get a little congratulations to say you finished, and it takes you back to the beginning. Now of course they can choose the same blue route if they want to talk about more personal learning process. Because remember, there were other questions they didn't answer. So they can go down that route, or they can pick another route. Can you list at least 5 key study skills you need to progress effectively? And we talk about those. But at any point, if you press the quest button, it always takes you back, so they can always come back to the start and choose a different route. And that is a quest trail.